Okay, disruptive climate, creating value. Ooh, feel like I'm missing something here. All right, what would that be? I have to think like a fintech. Those sneaky fintechs, those 6,000. We got this. Let's talk about what that looks like. So in the tech space, when you're bringing a tech product to market, you go through what's processes called pragmatic marketing. We're not going to go through all of that, but I'm going to give you insights so that you can see and start thinking about how you approach product development and providing member value like a tech company. But it's all about the market. Okay, so it's about the member. Who's the member? What's their problem? How does your solution, you credit union, solve for that problem? What is the competition doing and how do you compare? And what's that buying process? And these are all the pieces a little bit that go to like a marketing journey kind of bit, but that's how I've started thinking about it. It's about the member, and it's about the problem they have and how we solve for that. Okay, so what are we going to do? Define the market. You're like, wow, what do I do for that? Age, lifestyle, financial goals, product usage. Define your target. If you've got 120,000 members, yeah, you actually probably have maybe 7 or 8 profiles that are common. Let's build these profiles. Let's build these markets. Let's find out what their problems are. The problem. What are their problems? Let's think about the member for just a second in a couple pieces here. I'm a member, which I am, and I'm going to have the problem of shelter. Is it going to be renting or owning? I'm going to have the problem of transportation. And is it going to be a car? Is it going to be a bike? Maybe it's going to be an RV. Maybe it's going to be a truck. I'm going to have the problem of travel and play. I'm also going to have the problem of saving. It might be short term, it might be long term. But those are going to be my general problems. So figure out how you're going to solve for those. Do you need to create a new product, a new service? Do you need to make your current processes better or more powerful? Do you need to take the friction out? And if any of you have frictionless processes, I want to hear, please. Let's hear about that. Oh, wait, hey, what a beautiful segue into the process. Here's the final one. You've got to be able to iterate. And that word kind of makes a lot of you do like that in your tummy, doesn't it? Iterate, what do you mean? Far too often do we think that it has to be absolutely perfect what we bring to market. It can't be crud, clearly, because we're not a cruddy industry. It can't do fiduciary harm. You're not going to do that. You have far too many people to stop you. It does not have to be perfect. If it is perfect, you are missing an opportunity. Because in today's world, the way tech is going to market, it is never perfect. And why? Because they know they've built for this spot. I'm solving for this problem, but I bet that problem has moved. Or maybe that problem has moved way over here. So my solution over there isn't going to meet. It may meet 2% of the market I started with for, but now it's going to meet much better. So I need to iterate. I need to be comfortable with constantly learning because I'm constantly making the member's life better. It's uncomfortable, but it's highly necessary. Yes, I'm bringing up a big fat bank, but it's okay. You guys need to see this, their perception on how they approach it. Ready? So Capital One, yes, they're massive. They're one of the top 10 banks, but they really have decided that they are not a financial institution. They're a tech company. And here's the quote from their CIO. We need to be a let me start over on that one. We need to be a high productivity software engineering organization. Anywhere on that says banking? No. Or financial industries, financial retail? No. The winners in banking are going to be really great technology companies. It didn't used to be this case. Historically, you just need to be a great software company, development company, and have a great analytics company, but now we need to be a great tech company. Now here's where I think the magic sauce is for credit unions. We need to think and be and produce like these brilliant tech companies, and I think we have the powers and ability to do so, but we need to do it with the credit union hug. And that's what makes us different, and that's what also makes us credit unions.